Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 11 lesson 2 DML update statement. DML update statement is used to modify existing values in a table. For example, we have a departments table and you want to change the manager ID of department 40. So this is department 40 and you want to change the manager ID from 203 to 200. So update statement here can be used to change existing values in a table. This is how to write an update statement. Update table name, set column name equal value, comma column name equal value, comma column name equal value, where, and specify the condition. Here you have to be very careful. If you don't specify a where condition, the update statement will update all rows in a table. Let's have a look at this example. Update department set manager ID equal 200 where department ID equal 40. Here in this example we update the manager ID to 200 where the department ID is 40. In the second example, update employees table set salary equal salary plus 300, email equal testmail@test.com where employee ID equal 131. So this is the record we are going to update. The employee ID is 131, the last name is Marlo, the salary is 2,500 and the email is GA Marlo. So in this update statement we are changing the salary and the email address. The salary equal the salary plus 300, so it's equal to the old salary, which is in this case 2,500, and increase it by 300, so it will be 2,800. The new email will be testemail@test.com. So this is the record after running the update statement. Here in the third example we are using a subquery to run an update statement. Update employees set salary equal, and you provide a subquery where employee ID equal 132. So here let's assume that I want to update the salary of employee 132 and make it as the same salary of employee 133. Change the salary of employee 132 and make it as the same as the salary of employee 133. So in this case I want to run a subquery, a select statement that returns the salary of employee 133. So this is the subquery that returns the salary of employee 133, which is in this case 3,300. So this subquery returns to the update statement 3,300, and then update employees set salary equal 3,300 where employee ID equal 132. So he will change this salary from 2,100 to 3,300. So here we are using a subquery. The subquery select salary from employees where employee ID equal 133 run first and return 3,300, and this value used in this case to update the employee 132. If you remove the where condition here, the salary of all employees will be updated to 3,300. So you have to be very careful when run an update statement. Without specifying a where condition, all rows will be updated. Here also we are using a subquery to update more than one column. I want to update this employee 132, change the department ID of this employee to a department name IT, and change the salary of this employee to be as the same as employee 133. So here we have to run two subqueries. Subquery that returns the salary of employee 133. So this is the subquery that returns the salary of 133, and a subquery that returns the department ID where department name equal IT. So this is the subquery that returns the department ID where the department name is IT. So this subquery return 60 which is the department ID where department name is IT. And this subquery returns the salary of employee 133, which is in this case 3,300. And this one returns 3,300. So the update statement will be update employees, set department ID equal 60, comma, salary equal 3,300, where employee ID equal 132. So here we are updating the salary to 3,300 and updating the department ID to 60. So after running this update statement, the employee ID 132 will be 132, also 3,300 as a salary and 60 as a department ID. So in this lesson, we learned how to run a DML update statement to update existing rows in a table. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.